In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hamburger menu to your Wix mobile site. This is a simple process that can really enhance your site's navigation and user experience on mobile devices. Let's get started by opening your Wix editor. You'll want to head over to wix.com, log into your account, choose your site, and click Edit Site. Once you're in the editor, look towards the top of your screen and click on the mobile icon to switch to mobile view. Remember, it's crucial to make these changes in mobile view so you don't affect the desktop layout. Now let's check if your template already includes a hamburger menu. Click on your site header, which is the top area of your website. If you spot a menu icon or the label mobile menu, it means the menu is already active. From here, you can click on it to customize the style, color, animation, or alignment to your preference. If your template already has a hamburger menu, restyling might be all you need. However, if your site doesn't have a hamburger menu, we need to add one manually. First, click on the Add Elements icon located in the left toolbar. Navigate to Menu and Anchor, then Menus, and finally Hamburger Menu. Drag it into your mobile header area, which is the top section of your site. If you don't see an option for a hamburger menu, add a regular menu instead, and we'll convert it. To convert a regular menu to a hamburger menu, click on the menu element itself, and then click Layout. Under menu type, choose hamburger. Make sure to adjust the alignment to left, center, or right as needed. And just like that, your menu will now tuck neatly behind the 3-line icon. Next, let's make sure your hamburger menu fits in with your brand by customizing its design. Click on the hamburger icon and then Design. You can adjust the icon's color and size, the menu's background color, font style for the menu items, and even choose how the menu opens, whether it slides, fades, or drops down. For a smooth experience, options like slide in from right or fade in are often favored. Once your design is set, it's time to edit your menu links. Click on the hamburger menu and then Manage Menu. Add, remove, or rename links to correspond with your site's structure. You can link to pages, sections, anchors, external URLs, or even lightboxes and store pages. Consider adding social links or a Book Now button for quick access. To keep your menu visible on every page, pin it to the header. Right-click the menu, choose Pin to Screen, and select top right corner. Make sure Show on All Pages is checked in the header settings to maintain consistency across all mobile pages. Finally, make sure the layering is adjusted correctly so your menu doesn't get hidden behind other elements. You can arrange this by clicking on the hamburger menu, selecting Arrange, and then Bring to Front. Use the Layers panel to ensure the menu is above other layers. Before wrapping up, preview and test your setup. Click Preview in the editor, open the menu, and verify it runs smoothly. Check if all links function correctly and see how it looks on smaller screens. Once you're happy with the outcome, hit Publish to make it live. Always test on an actual phone to ensure the spacing and animations are perfect.